Hello, everyone. Welcome to Health Basics, your guide to healthier living. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 reasons why clove tea is a must-try. Clove tea is a delicious and aromatic drink made from dried cloves, which are the flower buds of a tropical tree. Cloves have been used for centuries as a spice and a medicine, and they have many health benefits. To make clove tea, you just need to boil some water, add a few cloves, and let it steep for about 10 minutes. You can also add other ingredients, such as honey, lemon, or ginger, to enhance the flavor and the benefits. Clove tea is rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, which can help you improve your health in many ways. So without further ado, let's get started with the 10 reasons why clove tea is a must-try. Reduce congestion and sinus infection. Clove tea can help reduce congestion and sinus infection. One of the most common problems that people face during the cold and flu season is congestion and sinus infection. This can cause a lot of discomfort, pain, and difficulty in breathing. Clove tea can help you clear your nasal passages, reduce inflammation, and fight bacteria that cause infection. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial effects. Eugenol can also help thin the mucus and make it easier to expel. To drink clove tea for sinus relief, you can add some honey, lemon, or ginger, which can also help soothe your throat and boost your immunity. Drink a cup of clove tea at least twice a day, and you will feel much better. Lower blood sugar levels. Clove tea can help lower blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or prediabetes, you know how important it is to keep your blood sugar levels under control. High blood sugar can lead to serious complications such as nerve damage, kidney damage, and vision loss. Clove tea can help you lower your blood sugar levels by improving your insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Insulin is the hormone that helps your cells use glucose for energy. Cloves contain compounds that can mimic the action of insulin and help your cells absorb glucose more efficiently. Cloves can also help prevent the enzymes that break down carbohydrates in your digestive system, which can reduce the amount of glucose that enters your bloodstream. To drink clove tea for blood sugar control, you can drink it before meals, avoid adding sugar, or add some cinnamon, which can also help lower blood sugar. Drink a cup of clove tea at least once a day, and you will see the difference. Protect against cancer. Clove tea can help protect against cancer. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death in the world, and it can affect any part of your body. Cancer occurs when your cells grow abnormally and uncontrollably, forming tumors that can spread to other organs. Clove tea can help protect against cancer by preventing tumor growth and inducing cell death in cancer cells. Cloves contain compounds that can inhibit the activity of enzymes that are involved in cancer development, such as cyclooxygenase and lipoxygenase. Cloves can also trigger a process called apoptosis, which is the programmed death of damaged or abnormal cells. To drink clove tea for cancer prevention, you can drink it regularly. Combine it with other anti-cancer spices, such as turmeric, black pepper, or garlic, or consult your doctor if you have any existing condition or medication. Drink a cup of clove tea at least once a day, and you will reduce your risk of cancer. Improve digestion and weight loss. Clove tea can help improve digestion and weight loss. One of the most common problems that people face nowadays is poor digestion and weight gain. This can cause a lot of discomfort, bloating, gas, and constipation. It can also increase your risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Clove tea can help you improve your digestion and weight loss by stimulating your digestive enzymes, increasing your metabolism, and suppressing your appetite. Cloves contain compounds that can activate the salivary glands in the stomach, which can help break down the food and absorb the nutrients. Cloves can also help boost your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories and fat. Cloves can also help curb your hunger, which can help you eat less and control your portions. To drink clove tea for digestion and weight loss, you can drink it after meals, add some apple cider vinegar, which can also help improve digestion and weight loss, or follow a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Drink a cup of clove tea at least once a day, and you will see the results. Enhance skin health and appearance. Clove tea can help enhance skin health and appearance. One of the most important aspects of your health is your skin, which is the largest organ of your body. Your skin protects you from infections, injuries, and environmental factors. It also reflects your inner health and beauty. Clove tea can help you enhance your skin health and appearance by improving your blood circulation, reducing inflammation, and healing skin infections. Cloves contain compounds that can dilate your blood vessels and increase the blood flow to your skin, which can help nourish your skin cells and make your skin glow. Cloves can also help reduce inflammation, which can cause redness, swelling, and irritation on your skin. Cloves can also help heal skin infections, such as acne, fungal infections, or wounds, by killing the bacteria and fungi that cause them. To drink clove tea for skin health and appearance, you can drink it in the morning, apply it topically on your skin, or use it as a toner. Drink a cup of clove tea at least once a day, and you will see the improvement. Promote bone health and strength. Clove tea can help promote bone health and strength. One of the most essential parts of your health is your bones, which support your body's structure, protect your organs, and enable your movement. Your bones are constantly being broken down and rebuilt, and they need certain nutrients to stay strong and healthy. Clove tea can help you promote your bone health and strength by providing manganese, vitamin K, and other minerals that are essential for bone formation and maintenance. Manganese is a trace mineral that helps your body produce collagen, which is a protein that gives your bones strength and flexibility. Vitamin K is a fat-soluble vitamin that helps your body use calcium, which is a mineral that gives your bones hardness and density. Cloves are also rich in other minerals, such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, which can help your bones grow and repair. To drink clove tea for bone health and strength, you can drink it daily, add some milk, which can also provide calcium and protein, or eat some calcium-rich foods, such as cheese, yogurt, or broccoli. Drink a cup of clove tea at least once a day, and you will boost your bone health. Relieve toothache and gum pain. Clove tea can help relieve toothache and gum pain. One of the most common problems that people face with their oral health is toothache and gum pain. This could be caused by various factors, such as cavities, infections, injuries, or sensitivity. Clove tea can help you relieve your toothache and gum pain by numbing the nerves, reducing inflammation, and killing bacteria in your mouth. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial effects. Eugenol can also help prevent plaque formation and tooth decay. To drink clove tea for toothache and gum pain, you can gargle it, soak a cotton ball in it, and apply it to the affected area, or chew a clove. Drink a cup of clove tea at least once a day, and you will feel the relief. Boost immunity and fight infections. Clove tea can help boost immunity and fight infections. One of the most important aspects of your health is your immunity, which is your body's defense system against diseases. Your immunity can be affected by various factors, such as stress, pollution, or poor diet. Clove tea can help you boost your immunity and fight infections by enhancing your immune system, fighting free radicals, and preventing diseases. Cloves contain compounds that can stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are the cells that fight infections. Cloves can also help fight free radicals, which are the molecules that cause oxidative stress and damage your cells. Cloves can also help prevent diseases, such as colds, flu, or sore throat, by killing the viruses and bacteria that cause them. To drink clove tea for immunity and infection, you can drink it when you are sick. Add some turmeric, which can also help boost your immunity and fight infections, or take some vitamin C, which can also help strengthen your immune system and fight free radicals. Drink a cup of clove tea at least once a day, and you will improve your immunity. Improve mood and mental health. Clove tea can help improve mood and mental health. One of the most crucial aspects of your health is your mood and mental health, which can affect your happiness, productivity, and quality of life. Your mood and mental health can be affected by various factors, such as stress, anxiety, or depression. Clove tea can help you improve your mood and mental health by stimulating your brain, reducing stress, and improving memory. Cloves contain compounds that can activate the neurotransmitters, which are the chemicals that communicate between your brain cells. Cloves can also help reduce stress, which can cause negative emotions such as anger, sadness, or fear. Cloves can also help improve memory, which can help you learn, recall, and perform better. To drink clove tea for mood and mental health, you can drink it in the afternoon. Add some lavender, which can also help relax your mind and body, or practice some meditation, which can also help calm your mind and improve your mood. Drink a cup of clove tea at least once a day, and you will enhance your mood and mental health. Provide a warm and cozy feeling. Clove tea can help provide a warm and cozy feeling. One of the most simple and enjoyable aspects of your health is your well-being, which can affect your happiness, comfort, and relaxation. Your well-being can be affected by various factors, such as weather, mood, or environment. Clove tea can help you provide a warm and cozy feeling by creating a pleasant aroma, taste, and sensation. Cloves have a spicy and sweet smell that can fill your room with a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Cloves have a rich and flavorful taste that can satisfy your palate and soothe your throat. Cloves have a warming and stimulating effect that can make you feel energized and relaxed. To drink clove tea for a warm and cozy feeling, you can drink it in the evening. Add some nutmeg, which can also help create a warm and cozy feeling, or enjoy it with a book, which can also help you unwind and relax. Drink a cup of clove tea at least once a day, and you will experience the warmth and coziness. So, these are the 10 reasons why clove tea is a must-try. Clove tea is a delicious and healthy drink that can help you improve your health in many ways. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my health tips. Also, please comment below your favorite reason to drink clove tea or any questions you have. I would love to hear from you. Have a healthy and happy day. Bye for now.